Today, we're going to talk about the Tether Tools Rock Solid Articulating Arm. All right, welcome to Capture School down here at Parkwood Studios. I'm here with Scott Hartwick, and we are going to talk about a pretty cool little gadget that we use quite a bit, actually.
Yeah, this is from Tether Tools, the Rock Solid Articulating Arm. This is, I would call, an integral part of the Rock Solid line from them. This is the main arm, and you attach all the other devices to it.
So we got into this. We've been using different variations of this in our show here for quite a long time. And on the road, and we've just upgraded to this model because I had some other clamps and stuff, and you kind of have to piece a lot of things together to make it do what you want. So these things aren't just, we're going to show you a few uses of it, but there's thousands of uses that you can use this for in and out of the photo industry. It's not just for photography. And it's totally made out of aluminum and steel. This is like, actually like, this is like, look, this is not,
You're not going to bend that.
Yeah, the name suits it.
Yeah,
Rock solid line. Like you tighten this up. So that was one of the problems I was having with the other lighter weight ones that we were using. There were great clamps when you start putting heavy stuff like an iPad on there.
Droop, yeah.
It was drooping down. It was falling. We'd put the timer up over there, and then it was going to fall. You'd be like, I don't know, we're talking for 2 hours.
And a lot of these things, this part here, the clamp, like a table clamp or stand clamp, whatever, they're plastic.
Yeah.
This is aluminum, pieces of steel threads.
Yeah. It's hard to break. We have all the accessories on this model here, but what we're talking about today is just the articulating arm part. So there's two lengths, a 7-inch and 11-inch length that you can get these in. So, and as you can see in the picture on the screen, you have a couple of different parts it does come with. So on the top here, you have a hot shoe adapter that comes apart with it. And then you have 1/4-20 threads on both sides and a knob in the middle. Now when you loosen this knob in the middle, and I'll show you on our open model here, the whole thing goes limp. So everything moves. The little ball heads, it's got ball heads on both sides. See, that goes limp. So you can put this in any different direction.
And then
you can have it
one tighten.
And once you tighten this, now it'll stay perfectly like that. So you can have it low, high, up off of a tripod, all different ways. So it's
and with the cold shoe mount, you can put a speed light on it and hide it somewhere.
Yep, exactly.
Turn it remote.
Exactly.
It just goes on and on and on.
So anything with 1/4-20 or adapters from 1/4-20 is something else you can put on there. Yeah. So it weighs 0.5 pounds, so super light.
Yep.
And then it'll hold devices up to almost 5 pounds, 4.5 pounds. So you can put something almost 5 pounds on there.
That's a lot of weight.
And I'm sure they, like everything else, like milk and stuff, they rate it like oh, it's, you know.
Safety factor.
Yeah, so it probably will hold more.
Yeah.
Not that we're telling you to put more on it, but
no, there's a safety factor. So you could safely put that 4.5 pounds on there.
Exactly. So it works really well, and what we're using it with here is the Rock Solid Mini Pro Clamp. So again, we've had different clamps from them, from other people, and this one actually has what you can see, like a notch here that it can go around a tripod leg, and again, you can lock this down. We put it on the table when we do our other shows, so we're actually using it with this iPad to control the show with our actual live streams. These two products on the ends do not come with the arm. We had added this on and built this little system. So that's an AeroTab universal tablet system. So that opens, and there are a couple of different sizes of that, but that opens and closes and will hold a tablet of some sort. If you have a Surface Pro, we have an iPad mini in there, and it goes big to hold our iPad Pro. It's pretty useful. You can use it for check-ins at meetings. You can use it for all different things. So
it's got these vinyl coverings over it, so it doesn't scratch or dent or mess up.
Yeah, and I think they have an upgraded version of this. We have the original version.
Yeah.
That's one you use your iPad sometimes when you were tethering, and this is a great way to keep it solid that you can trigger your camera.
Yep.
Great little system. It's something that you kind of need, but you don't know you need until you start attaching stuff to things.
And you don't know how you ever lived without it, right?
Exactly. Like we've gone again through 3 or 4 different versions of doing this.
And there's more examples on the Tether Tools website.
Oh,
it's actually a really good website. They have so many products that work well together that there's plenty of help on their website. I would check it all out there.
Yep. We're working at getting a new code for you guys for Capture School, but right now the discount code, if you do go to tethertools.com, the discount code is PAC, P-A-C. That's our original discount code. And also we'll put links to B&H as well, so you can find all the stuff on B&H Photo as well. Good stuff.
It is a good thing.
All right. Well, be sure to like us and friend us and do whatever else you do at the end of the videos so you see more videos. We're putting lots of content out there. So subscribe and we'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching.